Yesterday we managed to take calls above here. Now here we are today. And now if we break below this area where I just took calls on, just missed the fattest move on QQQ. Take the risk here. We got that retest. So this is what we traded on QQQ. We try to catch that break. Every single day that we come to the charts and every single new trade that we take, we just got to improve. Good morning, my fellow traders. Time is currently 7:05 a.m. Wednesday, January 29th, and so far, FOMC day, it's a Wednesday. And one thing I really want to point out and show you guys that's very important and vital, look at the volume here, guys. Compare it to yesterday's volume, there's nobody here. So you gotta be very cautious on days like this because easily a random pump of buyers or sellers can take control when something looks good. Let's say, for example, if I want to take puts below this level, I might get a break below, but then it's gonna be a fake out. I've had days like this too. So I can be very cautious, very careful what I take. And if we do take any trades, I'll go in for 1 to 2 contracts. We got to be very cautious today, guys. So it's currently 8:54 a.m. About to head out of here real soon. And this is what the market's been doing overall, guys. There's really not much going on, guys. Just chopping. Look at the S&P 500s and Qs together. They both look exactly the same, but SPY has just been bouncing on support here. Now I can take a position of some calls, but I'm not a bounce trader. I'm not the type of person to take bounces. I could take this flag breakout here on AMD, but I don't really trust the market, guys. FOMC day, the most lowest volume I've ever seen in the market in a while. You can see here, volume is just dead. My only trade that I'm gonna take today is this. Look at QQQ here on the 30 minutes. Yesterday we managed to take calls above here, and there's definitely some things I could have probably tweaked on as far as holding just a little bit more better. You can see it chopped after I did sell here for a little bit, so I would have had to hold to that chop and then get some more upside about 2 hours later, which definitely would have been difficult. But now here we are today. Rejected this area, and now if we break below this area where I just took calls on yesterday, then I'm gonna take puts. It's that simple, and also it looks that good too. I mean, just look at this. Every time we hit this area, it break or it rejects. Got that break yesterday, and here we are right at the support. Could easily break down, and I'll catch a retest entry to the downside. Just missed the fattest move on QQQ, and I literally had my order sent, guys. I tried to send in my order, guys, at 571 a contract. These contracts dipped all the way to $700, man. They're currently at $619 now, but man. Not only that, we also missed, look at that nasty SPY drop, guys. As soon as we broke support, literally that's what I was waiting for. I didn't care how much bull stepped in. I didn't care if they try to take it up for a little bit. I was waiting for a nice drop, and guys, it got the drop. So maybe I'm gonna wait for a retest. FOMC in 1 hour, so we gotta be very cautious, but I will wait for a retest and then I'll probably enter. Take the risk here. We got that retest. Literally, we got the same exact contract order that we tried to get in earlier, guys, that canceled. So now here we are, $1 in, and currently we are up 2%. So let's get a nice drop on Qs again, guys, back down real hard. So here are the orders that I took today. We're gonna go over them in a second, and this is how much I am up. Only $32 on a day, and like I said, I took 3 trades total. First one was on QQQ, and then the last 2 was on SPY. Guys, check it out. So you can screenshot and see all my orders. So this is what we traded on QQQ. We try to catch that break below the support here, missed the limit order here, so we missed that fat drop. Try to catch the retest here, ended up breaking above, so we had to sell it for a loss of $50 there. So then we went to SPY, and same thing on SPY. Look at that. That's where we took a loss on Qs, but then we re-entered on SPY on this trade here, got a nice drop for a nice trade. Then we tried to re-enter some SPY puts here, got wrecked on that one, and that is why we're up only $32 on the day, which, hey, it's really good, actually. Like I said, this is the other camera, but it's fine. Actually, it's not too bad. So we took a nice $80 dub yesterday, $32 gain today, so a little bit over $100 on within 2 days, which is nice because understand, every single time we take a loss, it's pretty small. It's about $30 to $50 loss. Now today, of course, we went in for a little bit over 570, so we took a $50 cut. But usually when I go in for $30 or $500, I will take a 10% loss, and I'm going to shoot for a 30% price target. So we got a nice 38% on the second trade, but the entry was not as big. Now, if we went in for $300 or $500, of course, the entry would have been fat, or the exit would have been fat. But yeah, guys, we're going to wrap it up now. It's currently 1:39 p.m. and we're just going to head on home and continue on for tomorrow. So I know this vlog's a little bit weird. We go on from the charts to on the phone to showing you guys my ugly ass phone screen, but we just got to deal with it. Tomorrow will be a better day, and let's get on with the day, guys. Hope you guys been enjoying these vlogs. Hope you guys have been enjoying the day. Beautiful day, blessed to be alive, and I hope you guys enjoy yourself. Now, one thing I would like to say is the fact that, guys, every single day that we come to the charts and every single new trade that we take, we just got to improve. So For an example, if your issue is selling too early, or you have bad exits, or every single time you enter it ends up pulling down, and you're just having bad entries, for an example, then just the next day, understand you need to enter on pullbacks. Or if that's not the issue, or if the issue is not holding too long, then just set price targets. Now, I know all this is easier said than done, but every single day that we come to the charts, every single day that we come to the market, we have to understand that the lessons that we take today or yesterday, we had to bring them into the next day. So for an example, on this trade that I took today, I shouldn't have took the third trade because we're already up nicely after the second trade. Over trading is one of them. Just forcing trades is also one of them. Trading on FOMC is one of them. Just many lessons that we have to take into account for the next day. The first trade was lost. Got to be very careful on these days. And that is my tip for new traders or traders in general.